Hello. Stop. Listen. What does the wild speak? In a graphic novel, all about listening to the wild, I needed to figure out how to draw birdsong. I was really inspired by a film called Ratatouille, where there was a rat who was a chef, and they showed all the flavours in all these whiz-bang lines and squiggles. So I thought I'd give it a go with sound. So I sat and listened really, really carefully to a blackbird. Du, du, du. Du, du, du. Something like that. Du, 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 du. So just going up and down with the actual pitch of the song. And then the second phrase. Du, du, du. Whew! And here's what it looked like on the final book. Different song there. Tricky. It's so varied, the sounds they come up with. I absolutely love blackbird song. But that was actually quite simple compared to a robin's. Look at this one. It just soars and then tumbles. Whee! And the complexity is just mind-boggling. It almost broke my brain trying to draw this. And it's nowhere near what it is in real life. The best thing to do is just go and listen to one. There's lots of birdsong in Wildful. And this see, the little wren gets scared and then starts letting out an alarm call. Here too, a whole bunch of sparrows flies along and then starts alarming at a cat. This is when Puppy starts to see it herself too. Something a little bit more gentle, these long-tailed tits, which I love. This little calling that they go chip, chip, chip to each other, that's called contact calling. That's just like saying, hello, I'm over here. Oh, you're over there. Okay, good. Hello, hello, hello. And that's what they do all day. I love them so much. And then the book culminates in this scene. This is where Poppy wakes up, still just before dawn, and all the mist is out and it's that really magical light. But then that quiet is broken by a single blackbird. There he is with his song. And then followed by a robin. Next, there's the song thrush, looking with his speckledy chest. Song thrush's song is so crazy. It's always done in these kind of doubled up phrases. All sorts. I love them. Owl's still asleep at this point. And then the wood pigeons join in. They're like that kind of amazing rolling sleepy sound that they make. And then more wake up as the crows, followed by the great tits, beep 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 beep. The great spotted woodpecker with its tapping to communicate. It's even the cuckoo, 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 nuthatch. Can't even do that sound. Goldfinches join in, and then finally the entire dawn chorus with all of this bird song all combining together as the sun starts to raise. I wanted it to feel like an entire weave of hundreds and thousands of different bird songs just going far, far, far into the distance. That's what's so amazing about the dawn chorus when it's at its peak. is that you can't hear any gaps between the birdsong. I'm really pleased with that. It's actually available as a print from my website. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon.